Everyone is seeing gridlock in one way, shape, or form out there on the trails. You have a variable valve, dual overhead cam, 4.4 supercharged forged motor that comes from Cadillac in this thing. It is an engineered masterpiece. The last missing thing that we needed was the K&N intake.
We were able to take advantage of building a one-off special intake for this. We use 3-inch mandrel bent aluminum tubing. We use one of our special filters that's really designed around heavy dirt use, and then we topped it with one of our foam wraps. So the whole intake, it came out really cool. Did no check engine lights, no drivability issues, so this will be as if it's a factory car driving down the highway. We got it all built, had it powder coated, started it up, runs like a champ.
Well, awesome, man. Thanks so much again.
No worries.
Taking care of it.
Thanks for coming by. We like doing things like this.
Yeah, get this thing out on the rocks and see how it runs.
Yep.